Aventador.
All carbon fiber.
Holy.
Carbon brake disc, huh? The disc?
Yeah, the disc. Yeah, the brakes. Yeah.
This is crazy.
That's your car?
V12. What's the horse on this baby?
It uses Olin suspension.
700 something.
700 something. How many pounds of torque?
Does it bother you if I park this here, guys? I can move it.
Huh?
Does it bother you that I park this here? I can move it. I'll move it to San Francisco in 4 hours. You can start it. Go ahead.
Look at this, Nikki. He says it's the, what did you say again? The Aventador?
Aventador, yeah.
Aventador.
All Lamborghinis, they're
After
named after
bulls.
bulls. Yeah.
Exactly. Named after bulls. This is beautiful. God, look at the... Nasty. That's all I got to say is nasty. This has always been my favorite car since I was a kid. My brother used to get car and driver. Go back to the Cottage. Was that the Cottage? All the way back to that day. Oh, I love these Lambos. Always been my favorite. Better than Ferrari. It just always has been.
You know this story about him? He used to make tractors for agriculture. Right?
Yeah, exactly.
So 62, he bought a Ferrari.
Yeah.
And there was something wrong with the Ferrari.
And he gave the man...
No, he makes an appointment with Enzo Ferrari.
Right.
To talk about his Ferrari.
Exactly.
And Enzo never showed up.
Yeah, brushed
So
him off.
He got pissed off. And he opened up his own exotic cars.
Exactly.
They used to make tractors.
Yeah, they still
Exactly.
do.
Yeah, they still do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what...
He said, let me show you how to make a real car.
That's what started the whole thing.
Davis, how's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Is this...
Huh?
You trading it in?
Yeah.
For a truck?
Get a Buick.
No, I can never give you enough for that. Is this is it a Gallardo? Or I don't know if this one...
That's a Aventador.
It's a Bandit?
Aventador.
Oh, that's right.
Oh. Well, Nikki, if I didn't show the owner, I would have said, look what I just bought, but you know better than that. Look at the pit in this baby. Push start and everything, ain't it? That is beautiful, man. See, got your soccer ball already hung. Carbon fiber, you said? Everything's carbon fiber, you said?
Yeah, I added a lot of carbon fiber in the car. Like these pieces. Inside. Doors. We have listed the white one at 30,000 miles on it.
Yeah.
It's on the website, but I can't find it anywhere.
It said 700 something horse. It's crazy.
It's on the website. What is this? RD? What does that mean?
Look at the back wing.
Rental?